This paper slide video will be about cell cycle and cancer mutations. First process in the cell cycle is interphase. During interphase, G1 phase occurs, and this is where the cell grows. Next is the S phase. This is when chromosomes, which are rod-like structures made out of DNA and protein, double, also called DNA synthesis or DNA replication. Then is G2 phase, where the cell grows and prepares to divide. Mitosis occurs next in the cell cycle, which consists of 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase is where chromatin, thread-like DNA, condenses to become chromosomes. The nucleus begins to disappear. Centrioles, which is a small set of microtubules, move to opposite sides of the cell, and spindle fibers form. Metaphase is when chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell and nucleus is gone. Centrioles move at opposite ends of the cell, and the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes. Anaphase is when chromosomes are pulled away and apart from each other by spindle fibers, and then there is still no nucleus. Lastly is telophase, where the chromosomes are separated, spindle fibers disappear, the nuclear membrane comes back, and a cleavage furrow forms, which is the indentation of the cell's surface. Cytokinesis is the final division of the cytoplasm inside the cell to make the 2 daughter cells. Each cell made has the same amount of chromosomes, and the DNA of each cell is genetically identical. So, what is cancer? When there's a disruption in the cell cycle, the result is cancer. Cancer cells ignore signals that regulate the cell cycle and divide uncontrollably. When cancer cells keep dividing over time, a tumor will form. Causes of cancer include cigarette smoke, UV light, radiation, chemicals, viruses, and genetics. These carcinogens result in DNA mutations, which result in mistakes in the cell cycle and uncontrolled division, forming the heartbreaking and life-changing disease, cancer.